Understanding the phrase, spinning a web, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. In this video, we're going to explore the intriguing phrase, spinning a web. Often found in both literature and everyday conversation, this phrase holds a fascinating meaning that we will uncover together. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of spinning a web. Spinning a web originates from the natural world, specifically referring to the way spiders create their webs. Spiders spin webs using silk produced from their bodies, intricately weaving them into complex structures. This process is methodical, precise, and often seen as artistic. Understanding this literal action is key to grasping the metaphorical uses of the phrase. In a metaphorical sense, spinning a web can have a variety of interpretations. The most common usage implies creating a complex, often deceptive, plan or scheme. Much like a spider's web is designed to trap, the phrase can suggest a person is devising a trap or a complex scenario, possibly for deceptive purposes. It's commonly used in contexts involving politics, business strategies, or even personal relationships. Let's look at some examples. 1. In literature, the politician was known for spinning a web of lies to maintain his power. 2. In everyday conversation, be careful around him, he's good at spinning a web of deceit. These examples show how the phrase is used to convey the idea of creating something complex and potentially misleading, similar to a spider's web. Be aware of the context. This phrase often carries a negative connotation. It's a versatile expression. You can use it in formal and informal settings. Don't confuse it with simply telling a lie. It's about crafting something more intricate and systematic. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, spinning a web. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the images and ideas they convey. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you in future videos. Happy learning!